we've seen over the past few years, in particular, some 90 or so companies have sprouted up in the theranostic and radiopharmaceutical therapy. We've seen multi-billion dollar acquisitions of large pharma into that space, huge infrastructure investments globally to provide that care. What you're finding is that imaging is no longer an endpoint, but actually a backbone to the clinical trial. And by that, I mean we're much more operationally involved when it's a pharmaceutical radioligand therapy. You're helping oftentimes in patient selection now. There could even be some site safety questions related to the handling of the radioisotope. And then importantly, and I commented on this on LinkedIn, but there's recent draft guidance for radiopharmaceutical development that has an important component around dosimetry. So the imaging plays a central role towards the assessment of dosimetry as well. And that's an outsized impact that imaging is having. So it's no longer just we're collecting data at the end of a trial or somewhere along the way. Now, particularly for the radioligand therapy theranostics, imaging is driving the operational backbone of that particularly early phase trials.